Hey guys, my name is Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you another new piece of inventory. This is going to be a Premier 250 Intrigues. They're top of the line model. These are beautiful boats. This one we've also optioned with the Revo seating. Let's take a step inside and take a look at some of the features. Alright guys, as we step inside of the boat, you can see up in this front lounge area, we do have our removable front seat. This is going to make it a full lounge area for you guys up here, a ton of seating, or you guys can remove this and have access to the front of the boat and the front gate off the front. As we step back here into the boat, we do have our beautiful helm station. At our helm, they've done a really good job with all the buttons and everything. They have a massive SIM-rad in the center. You have wireless charging and you have controls on your steering wheel as well, making it really easy for the captain, as well as digital throttle and shift, which makes it even easier. We do have the twin captain seats in this boat. This makes it nice for your passenger whenever you guys are inside of the boat. Now, one of the coolest features on this boat is the Revolution seating. This is actually a full seating arrangement that does turn. So when this does turn over here, you can actually fold a ladder down into the water and it locks in place, and this makes it so that you guys can swim off the side of the boat away from the motor, keeping everybody safe, and it's a really fun area to be with the family. There on the back we also have a Mercury 300. This is going to make it so that this boat can do whatever you guys need to while you're out there, wakeboarding, tubing, whatever you guys want to do. And we have the ski tow bar as well as our extendable ladder. Again, this is a Premier 250 Intrigue here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. My name's Tyler Smith. Give me a call and we can get you squared away.